Michael, thank you for your question. So they want you to take -6, take its absolute value, and subtract the absolute value of -7. And then, when you've done that, take the absolute value of that difference. So it's a little bit of BEDMAS, it's a little bit of signed numbers or integers involved in this question. I like to think of the absolute, or I'd like to treat the absolute value bars like they're parentheses, and so you want to work on the innermost parentheses before you do the outermost. So absolute value of -6 is going to be +6. The way I think of it is that absolute value always has to be on the positive side of the number line. So if it is a positive number, it stays the same. If it's a negative number, you switch it to positive. So the absolute value of -6 is +6, and the absolute value of -7 is +7. I'm going to bring down the subtraction sign. I'm also going to bring down the absolute value bars. So what I've done is I've simplified the absolute value of -6 to +6 and the absolute value of -7 to +7. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do inside of the absolute bars, I'm going to do 6 subtract 7 gives me -1. Then I bring down the absolute value bars, and then lastly I take the absolute value of -1, and that's going to be +1, and that's the answer. So as I said, a little bit of signed numbers, a little bit of integers, a little bit of BEDMAS, a little bit of absolute value. So I hope this helps. If you have another question like this one, please go ahead and use that Ask My Instructor button. It's great. Bye for now.